Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's June 22, 2026. Major League Cricket franchise San Francisco Unicorns has added veteran spinner Ravichandran Ashwin, banking on his experience and tactical leadership to strengthen their title ambitions this season. This opinion piece reflects on how Elon Musk's massive influence and wealth are reshaping not just industries, but public imagination around technology, ambition, and the future. The Trump-Modi engagement at the G7 reinforced long-standing themes of trade, strategic cooperation, and regional security, while leaving major unresolved questions for future negotiations. Tata Consultancy Services faces a significant financial impact after the US Supreme Court declined to hear its appeal in a long-running legal dispute linked to DXC. Cloud and data security company Rubrik has appointed Amit Nehru as Group Vice President to strengthen its global systems integrator and managed services partnerships. A senior Indian origin executive emerged among the key winners as SpaceX completed its Cursor acquisition, highlighting growing Indian leadership across advanced technology sectors. Former bureaucrat Anil Swarup argues that structural inefficiencies and procurement bottlenecks continue to affect public systems and decision-making. This analysis examines whether India risks becoming a consumer rather than creator in the AI economy and calls for stronger domestic innovation investment. The article explores geopolitical and strategic lessons India may draw from developments in Iran, especially around energy security and regional diplomacy. This reflective commentary looks at how inherited struggles and sacrifices can shape resilience and identity across generations. Health advocates gathered in New York to promote plant-based lifestyles and discuss their benefits for long-term wellness and disease prevention. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis praised efforts to expand the international reach of Marathi cinema and strengthen cultural exports. As the new MLC season gains momentum, attention turns to the 6 captains leading their teams and defining the next phase of cricket's growth in America. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www